Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So we welcome you viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. Let me take this chance to welcome you all, and in today's video we are gonna share with you a new VPN app. It is available on Google Play Store. This app will help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. So you open the Google Play Store, and from here you tap on the search bar, then you search for Good Tunnel VPN. So you are missing a lot because on this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online. And when you search for Good Tunnel VPN, please you pick this one among the presented. Take note of the app name, app icon, and then you install this app on your device. Before using the app, make sure to read its terms and conditions and make sure that you don't violate them, and make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage in your country and make sure to follow them. Lastly, make sure to read your ISP, internet service provider, terms regarding VPN usage in your country and always follow them. And after that, you're required to open this app and set it up. And when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen where you'll be required to set it up. So when you reach in the app home screen, you're required to set it up. First of all, you tap on the three lines, and from here you tap update config. So when you tap on update config, this app will start to check for the available updates, and it will update to the latest version. And after that, you're required to pick a server where you see auto. Simply tap here and pick from any of the presented servers. And for today's guide, we shall pick the auto server. This is because the app will automatically pick the best performing server in your location. And the other setting is you are required to pick a network or a connection method. So for today's guide, we're gonna pick the all country UDP. This is because UDP is super fast and secure when you are online, and UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. Just in case UDP is supported in your country, this option will definitely work for you. And if it doesn't, please tap here, pick your country name, and you'll be able to connect. And the other setting is you're required to add on time by utilizing this add time button. And when you tap here, you'll be able to add on connection hours when you are using the app so you add on time of securing your connection. And lastly, to ensure a fast and secure connection when you are using Good Tunnel VPN, you are required to tap on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, the app will be connected and also your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up this app to get a fast and secure connection, extra protection when we are online. Please like and subscribe